How to pack for a summer vacation. Let's get started. Hi everyone. Have you ever packed your bag but forgot something important, like your charger? Yes. I've done that too. Lesson learned. When you're traveling somewhere warm, it's best to travel light. That means bringing only the things you really need. I usually pack a tank top, shorts, a sundress, a swimsuit, flip-flops, or sandals. A tank top, shorts, a sundress, a swimsuit, and flip-flops. Please remember, less is more. Don't pack too much. Some people pack too many clothes, just in case. Please avoid overpacking. You'll end up with a heavy bag that's hard to carry, and you probably won't wear everything. Please remember, choose light layers, and mix and match outfits. For example, one sundress for day and night. Flip-flops are more comfortable than sneakers at the beach. Let's move on to toiletries, your personal care items. I always bring sunscreen, shampoo, toothbrush, razor, and hairbrush. Please avoid bringing full-sized liquids. Sunscreen, shampoo, toothbrush, razor, and hairbrush. Please remember, zip up your bag tightly, so nothing spills. Use travel-sized containers, and pack them in a clear, zip-top bag. Always use a checklist before you pack. Better safe than sorry. Now, let's talk smart packing. Here's a great trick. Roll up your clothes to save space and prevent wrinkles. You can also use packing cubes to separate items, shoe bags to keep clothes clean, and laundry bags for dirty clothes. Packing cubes to separate items, shoe bags to keep clothes clean, and laundry bags for dirty clothes. Please remember, pack smart, not heavy. Organize your suitcase with small bags or sections, so that you can find what you need quickly. A place for everything, and everything in its place. Now, before packing anything, please check the weather. If it's sunny and humid, please bring a sun hat, sunglasses, and a breathable t-shirt. If it might rain, please pack a lightweight jacket and a small umbrella. A sun hat, sunglasses, a breathable t-shirt, a lightweight jacket, and a small umbrella. Please remember, always check the weather mobile application for your destination, and pack accordingly. You'll not end up wet, sunburned or freezing. It's always smart to bring a few emergency items. Here's my just-in-case kit. Band-aids, pain relievers, bug spray, power bank, travel adapter, and tissues. Band-aids, pain relievers, bug spray, power bank, travel adapter, and tissues. Please remember, keep these in a small, easy-to-reach bag. It's better to have it, and not need it, than to need it, and not have it. Before you zip up your bag, lay everything out one last time. Clothes, toiletries, weather gear, emergency kit, travel documents, and charger. Don't forget to bring your passport. No one likes the "I forgot my passport" moment. Now, I'm ready for the beach, and I hope you're ready to speak better English and pack like a professional. Comment below, what's something you always forget to pack?